Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. As you know that exams are approaching, so I make a video of lesson 4. We are revising our topics. So today we are going to discuss lesson 4, which is about word processor. Now, as you know that what is the work of word processor? Word processor is, used for for so many purposes, like we already know that we can add, edit or format text in the form of words. So we can use a lot of things in different purposes of word processor. Now in that we have already discussed so many things. Today we are going to we are revising what is the use of find feature. Find feature is used to find something. Means if you want to if you have written, suppose you have written 4 or 5 pages, and if you want to search any type of word or a sentence, so how can you find out these word? Because in 4 or 5 pages this is very trouble, this is very tough to find that particular word. So with the help of this find feature you can find out that particular word. You will have to simply follow the instructions which is given in your book, that you will go on find and editing group in home tab and navigation panes. Navigation pane, you will simply type that particular word and press enter key, and after pressing the enter key, that word will be shown by the search by the find option, find group, and then it will give you the result. Means you will find out the particular word or particular you can say meaning of that word. सर्च करोगे, सर्च करने के बाद आपको मिल जाएगा. मीन्स फाइंड इज बेसिकली यूज टू फाइंड समथिंग, फाइंड सम टाइप ऑफ वर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज फाइंडिंग एंड रिप्लेस टेक्स्ट. मीन्स इफ यू सर्च दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, or if you want to replace in the sense what, suppose if you have written something wrong and if you want to change that, with the help of replace option you can do that. So to do this thing you will have to follow the same instructions, same thing. The important thing is you will have to simply click on just below the find, it is replace. You will click on replace button, and after replace button you will find out you will type. The moment you click on replace, rectangular box you can see in your board, that will come and it will ask you, means find what and then replace. Means both the things it will ask. Means क्या आपको ढूंढना है और क्या आपसे किस चीज़ को आपको रिप्लेस करना है. मीन्स किसको आपको ढूंढना है. मीन्स here is mentioned that important you want to search and replace with essential. The moment if you type essential and click on replace all or replace, जितने भी आपके इम्पॉर्टेंट्स होंगे आपके टेक्स्ट में, मीन्स आपके टाइपिंग में, वो सारे जो है वो एसेंशियल्स में क्या हो जाएंगे, आपके चेंज हो जाएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिप्लेस ऑल बटन. एंड you will have to simply click on that replace one time, and after that all the important word will be changed in essential. Next, we had already discussed that how can you apply borders. So to this is very important thing. If you want to decorate your enhance, also you can enhance your word style, then with the help of these things you can do that. So to do these things you will have to simply go on simply borders in paragraph group, and in paragraph group you will find out paragraph group where you find out in home tab, and in home tab go on paragraph and in borders. And when you click on borders, as I shown you in the what they call it video online class, that how can you simply use these kind of borders and shadings, and at the last the scroll down, if you the border paragraph border, then you can find out border and shading. In border and shading you will choose your what they call it change. Means if you want to change border or shading, or if you like to decorate these things, so these can be done with the help of these examples. Means go on settings, and after that you can change all the things in border and shading. For today I think this is enough. In the next video we will discuss about borders, page around us, then instruction pictures and inserting border. Henceforward, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.